Good morning everyone. Myself Jyoti. So today we are going to learn the number systems. In that we are going to learn the laws of exponents for the real numbers. This is one of the important topic for your in your mathematics. Yes. So laws of exponents. The first law is that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. The dot means here the multiplication. So if the base is same and having the different power, then the power will be added at the last. So it will be what? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So we will see one example. Suppose 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5. So we have the base same and the multiplication over here. So what do we can do here? 2 raised to powers का यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Addition होगा. So it will be what? 2 raised to 8. Okay. Next is a raised to m the whole raised to n. It will be powers का powers है तो powers का multiplication होगा. यहाँ पे कोई sign नहीं है. It means that the sign is multiplication among between them. So we will see 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5. Sorry, not 2 raised to 3 raised to 5. Power का power है तो powers का multiplication होगा and this will be what? 2 raised to 3 into 5, that is 2 raised to 15. So answer is what? 2 raised to 15. Power का power है तो powers का multiplication होगा यहाँ पे and this will be what? 2 raised to 15. Next is अगर डिवीजन है बेस सेम है a raised to m divided by a raised to n तो powers का subtraction होगा that is a raised to m minus n. I repeat once again, a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus m, such that condition should be that m is greater than n. Condition should be that m is greater than n unless and until यहाँ पे ये power आ जाएगा negative. We will see this is what? Suppose 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 3. So if you can observe here base same है तो powers का क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Subtraction होगा. So this will be what? 2 raised to 5 minus 3, that is 2 square. And therefore answer is what? 2 square. Next is a raised to m into b raised to m. Here we have the different ways with the same power. So we can write it in the common. So it will be written as 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. So we have the different ways. We can write it 2 into 3 raised to 4. So 2 into 3 will be what? It's not actually 23. It's 2 into 3. Multiplication का sign है यहाँ पे. So ये आ जाएगा आपका 2 3 का 6, 6 raised to 4. अगर आपका ब्रैकेट में नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा so you can solve it. Okay. Next this is the most important thing. I have make it the star over here. See, कोई भी नंबर का पावर अगर हम जीरो लेते हैं तो आंसर हमेशा 1 आता है. कोई भी नंबर का पावर जीरो लेते हैं तो हमेशा आंसर आता है 1. That is a raised to 0 equal to 1. So suppose this is 2 raised to 0, answer is 1. 100 raised to 0, answer is 1. 1 lakh raised to 0, again the answer is 1. Yes, कोई भी कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो उसका अगर हम पावर जीरो लेंगे always we got the answer as 1. Now using this one, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई पावर है अगर उसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके आते हैं so sign of the power will get changed. Suppose 1 upon 3 raised to 2. So इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? 3 raised to minus 2. We can write this as 3 raised to minus 2. Now root, we know that root is what? Under root a can be written as a raised to 1 by 2 and under root of n can be written as a raised to 1 upon n. Okay. So these are all the laws of exponents for the real numbers. We are going to use it afterwards for in the 9th standard, in the 10th standard and the afterwards also for the higher classes as well. So these are very important. Now we are going to solve the examples based on that. That is the exercise. So we will solve the exercise number 1.6 from your NCERT. The very first question is that we need to find. The question is what? 64 raised to half. What is mean by the half? It is we need to calculate the root of 64. So as we know 8 square is what? 64. Yes, 64 can be written as 8 square and raised to what? Half. Now अगर पावर का पावर है तो पावर पावर्स का क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. सो दिस कैन रिटर्न एज 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. Whenever you are using any law of the exponent, you should write it as in the reference. That is a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So this will be what? 2 get cancel. What is remaining with me? 8 raised to 1. And of course 8 raised to or any number raised to 1 power is what? 8. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Always highlight your answer. And therefore 64 raised to half power equal to 8. Understood everyone? So next question is, so here we want 1/5 root. We need to find out 1/5 root. Now if we observe तो 32 क्या रिटर्न है, 32 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5th power. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5th power. So मैंने यहाँ पे सिर्फ 32 को लिखा है तो 2 raised to 5th power, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है, raised to 1/5. अभी हमने देखा अगर पावर का पावर होता है तो पावर्स का क्या होना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लीकेशन होना चाहिए. सो दिस विल बी व्हाट, 2 raised to 5 into 1/5. Whenever we are using any law, any identity, we should write that identity in the reference, whether you are using it twice or thrice. So again 5 will get cancelled and this will be what, 2 raised to 1. But 2 raised to 1 is what, 2 only. Yes, whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer by writing the question. So this will be what, 32 raised to 1/5 equal to 2, and highlight your answer. Okay, understood everyone? Now with the next example, 125. So if I multiply 5 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5, so what do we get, 125. And therefore 125 can be written as 5 cube. 125 can be written as 5 cube. So this will be written as 5 cube. But raised to what do we have here, 1/3. Raised to what do we have, 1/3. Now अभी हमने देखा that is पावर्स की पावर्स है तो पावर्स का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. If we are using any law, any identity, we should write in the bracket for the reference. तो यहाँ पे 3 3 cancel out हो जाएगा. What is remaining with us, 5 raised to 1. That is what, 5 only. And therefore whenever you got the final answer, I will always highlight your final answer. And therefore 125 raised to 1/3 is equal to what, 5 is the correct answer. Understood everyone? So basically in all these examples we have used only one law, that is a raised to m raised to n is equal to what, a raised to m into n. Okay, now we will move to the next question, that is the question number 2. So continuing with question number 2, here we need to find 9 raised to 3/2. So whenever we have the number, we always convert it into the form of the factors. So 9, we know that 9 can be written as 3 square and we have its raised to 3/2. Now again पावर का पावर है तो पावर का क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. So whatever we are using, always write that respective law. So again 2 will get cancelled and what is remaining with me, that is 3 cube. That is 3 cube. So the 3 cube is what, 27. And therefore whenever we got the answer, always highlight your answer. So 9 raised to 3/2 is equal to what, 27. 9 raised to 3/2 is what, 27. Next is 32. फिर से हम 32 कैसे लिख सकते हैं, we just have seen that 32 can written as 2 raised to 5. यहाँ पे है पावर, उसका पावर है raised to 2/5. अगर पावर का पावर है तो पावर्स का क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. So whenever we are using any identity, always write the identity. So 5 will get cancelled. What is remaining with us, that is 2 square. So 2 square is what, 4. And that is the answer. So always whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. So 32 raised to 2 by 5 equal to what? 4. Next, moving to the next example. 16 कैन रिटर्न एज, देखो अभी 16 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इट कैन रिटर्न एज 4 स्क्वायर और इट कैन रिटर्न एज 2 raised to 4. इट कैन रिटर्न एज 2 raised to 4, बट विच एवर वी रिक्वायर हियर. देखो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में पावर 4 दिख रहा है, तो कौन सा पावर 4 है? तो यहाँ पे ये पावर 4 है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज? 2 raised to 4 इज इक्वल टू 16 raised to 3 by 4. अभी देखो यहाँ पे ये 4 क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल आउट होगा. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. Whenever you are using any identity, any law, you always write it in the reference. That is a raised to m into a raised to n. That is what? A raised to m into n. So 4 will get cancelled and it will be what? 2 cube. What is the value of the 2 cube? That is 8. Whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. So this will be what? 16 raised to 3 by 4. The answer is 8. Moving to the next example. 125. देखो 125 अभी हमने देखा 5 का क्यूब 125 है. So ये क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 5 क्यूब raised to minus 1 by 3. So पावर का पावर है तो पावर्स का क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. तो अगर माइनस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट डाल दो तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. Whenever you are using any identity, always write it in the bracket. A raised to m into n. Sorry, a raised to m raised to n is what? A raised to m into n. So 3 will get cancel. तो क्या बच गया हमारे पास? 5 raised to minus 1. अभी ये निगेटिव पावर है, निगेटिव पावर नहीं चाहिए तो इसको शिफ्ट कर दो इन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो इसको डिनोमिनेटर में अगर मैंने शिफ्ट कर दिया तो ये आ जाएगा 1/5 raised to 1. बट any number raised to 1 power is what? That same number. So answer is what? 1/5. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. So 125 raised to minus 1 by 3 is what? 1 by 5. And that is the answer. So whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. Yes? Understood with this? So now we will move to the next question. That is the question number 3. So continuing with the question number 3. First is simplify. That is 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. So base same है तो पावर्स का क्या होगा? एडिशन होगा. So it will be what? 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So any कौन सा अगर हम लॉ यूज करें? We should write that law. Yes. अभी यहाँ पे एडिशन करना है. We should take the LCM of the both the numbers. So it will be what? 2 raised to LCM will be 15 and this is 10 plus 3. So this will give us 2 raised to 13 by 15 and the answer is what? 2 raised to 13 by 15. So you can write whenever you got the final answer. So understood with this? So this is the answer. So simple. So no need to write the powers. एक्सपेंशन लिखने की यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है. So यहाँ पे अभी उल्टा रूल यूज करेंगे. पावर्स है तो पावर्स का क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. यहाँ पे ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे हम तो ये आ जाएगा 3 raised to 3 into 7. So what we have used here? A upon B raised to m equal to A raised to m divided by B raised to m. We just distribute the power. So ये आ जाएगा 1 raised to any power is what? 1 divided by 3 raised to what? 3 7 21. पावर का पावर है, पावर्स का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. So in basic, in short, we can write this as also 1 by 3 raised to 21. So whenever you got both the answers are correct one, both the answers you will get the full marks. So therefore 1/3 raised to 3 raised to 7 is equal to what? 1 by 3 raised to 21. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your answer. Moving to the next question. बेस सेम है, डिवीजन है तो पावर्स का क्या होगा? सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. So this will be what? 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So whenever we are using any identity, any law, always write that law in the bracket. Therefore, since a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. अभी यहाँ पे देखो subtraction of the rational numbers. So this will be what? यहाँ पे LCM आ जाएगा आपका 8, ये आ जाएगा 2 4 का मतलब ये आएगा 4 minus 2. So this will be what? 11 raised to 2 by 8. इसको simplify कर सकते हैं. So this can written as 11 raised to 1 by 4. And therefore, whenever you got the answer, always highlight your answer. So this will be what? 11 raised to 1 by 4. Moving to the last example, 7 raised to half into 8 raised to half. अभी यहाँ पे देखो numbers base different है लेकिन power same है. Base different है, power same है. So we can write powers to be same, taking them together. So which we have used here, that is a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b raised to m. So ये आ जाएगा 7 into 8, ब्रैकेट है तो ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व कर दो. 7 8 का 56 raised to half. अब इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. So whenever you got the final answer, always highlight your final answer. So this will be what? 56 raised to half, and therefore this is your answer. And with this we have finished our exercise number 1.6. Thank you so much. If you have any more query, you can comment me. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye.